Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out by MTH once again. Now, he gave me a truckload of watch faces. We're going to try to review as much as we possibly can, and we're possibly going to give some away. Cool? All right, stay tuned, guys. This is an awesome watch face you don't want to miss out on. Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to check out a nice watch face by DXS Studio. I'm liking the flavor that this guy is bringing to the table so far as watch faces are concerned. But let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this watch face. First of all, the name of the watch face is called MTH0028 Pro. It's a very nice looking watch face. I like what he did with this one. I like the overall design. Now over here you're going to get your month. That's going to let you know what month you're in. The next one coming over is going to be your battery percentage. Now if you go up to the top, you're going to get your month, your date. You're also going to get the day of the week spelled out. Also, you're going to get your time in 24 hours. And I know a lot of you all have been wanting to see more of 12-hour watch faces. So let's ask the developer together, or developers, who's ever watching this video, can you make it where we have an option for 12 or 24 hours, depending on the settings that we have our phone on, or just make two watch faces, one 24 hours and one 12. And there you go, people. We asked them. All right, so let's go on with the review. You come down, you get where you can make a phone call, you can check your calendar, got an alarm, stopwatch, timer, and you also got my personal favorite, music. You also got over here your step status info, and all of these things you could tap into, right? So if I need to go into my music, if I tap into it, I can go into it. If I want to go into my calendar, I can go into my calendar. All those things work. All you got to do is just simply tap on it. But one thing we almost missed, look in the center. You got a slight animation going on in the center, and I'm thinking that's got to be your seconds that's ticking. I thought it was a nice looking watch face. Very nice, right? What do you think, guys? Because at the end of the day, your thought is what matters. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. Don't leave until you do. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And with that, I want to see you all at the next video, and take care.